Hey, this is Mike with OpenBlindBoxes.com. We got in some Android Series 3 sealed blind boxes. So we're going to open these up and see what's inside them. Whatever we find will get put up on OpenBlindBoxes.com. So yeah, you can trade us sealed boxes if you like. So it's always a surprise to find out what we get. Woo. So he looks to be the Chase. I assume he's a Kronk, the Kronk Chase. He looks like a Kronk image with the heart and yep, see, Kronk. Awesome. So that's Chase. Very cool. That looks like a Huck G. Pretty easy to tell. Very nice. He is a 1 of 16. So in the Android cases, it seems like you get most figures are 1 of 16, and then there's a couple 2 of 16s, and you usually get one Chase in a case. So that's what it seems like I've seen before. So I don't know if any cases get 2 Chases or not, but so far it hasn't been that way for us. This is Gary Ham, Wooly the Owl, 2 of 16. God, these quality on these is so good. I really like the paint jobs, everything on them. They always seem so clean and well built. I like them a lot. Last box. He's the Nexus Android Google figure. I think he's just done by Google themselves, I think is what they say. Nexus by Google. Yep. So I don't know if there's like a whole team that does that, but there he is. It's cool, he's clear, see-through. So pretty good. 4 figures, 1 Chase sent in to us. These will all be up on OpenBlindBoxes.com pretty soon. All right, thanks for watching.